Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VVUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, just a very disappointing chart to see. You know that a bunch of new traders got absolutely roasted in this thing. And you just don't like to see that when, there's just really no chance at all. I mean, yesterday, huge move up. And then all of a sudden today, massive gap down. And after that, the price, what makes it an interesting setup now going forward, at least the price has essentially just gone sideways. Case in point, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down, and then after the gap down, the price just literally does this the entire day long. So that didn't happen here. Now, don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that it wasn't still a bad day. But from, just looking at today as an isolated day, it does make for an interesting situation because at least the price went sideways, which suggests that maybe this is bracing for some sort of attempted move back to the upside. Now, when I say upside, I don't mean, getting back up, in the fours, but, maybe even back up above $2. But overall, though, rough day, and I'm just going to get rid of these lines. They have served their purpose. What I'm also going to do is squeeze this chart all the way over here. Because of the big movement, the proportions, I get it, are really hard to see right now. But if I move this all the way over here, it's just going to make seeing the chart a little bit easier in terms of key levels to watch going forward. So the first key level to watch from the support standpoint going into Thursday is going to be right here, down around $1.40. $1.40 is important. I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to $1.40 and then just continue on down, well, all of a sudden that is essentially putting the price right back at the lows. And if this movement is going to try to consolidate out, well, the exact opposite of trying to consolidate and bottom out would be revisiting the lows where it already was, right? I mean, I'm kind of stating the obvious when I say that. Now, in the event the price does try to bounce back upwards, key level of resistance to watch very closely in the near term, going to be right there at that $1.50 mark. This was a former area of support, and just, technical analysis 101, when levels of support are broken, which it was broken right there, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce upwards, then $1.50 going to be that first key level, followed by the next level of resistance right up there around the $1.57 mark. But yeah, all in all, rough day, but with the sideways price movement, maybe some sort of attempted bounce back to the upside. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.